This is Arohi, and today one of our very important festival, which is Kabir Krishi Mahotsav, is being celebrated in Sant Kabir IIS. So you might be thinking that what am I doing outside? I'm here to vlog the whole event just for you. So let's see what's happening inside. Hey everyone, I'm here inside the fest, as you can see.
It's a bright sunny morning. Can I have a very warm good morning?
After the isolation of the lockdown, we are back.
This is a science stall meaning how water gets polluted and how is it purified when it comes to the cities.
So this is the jewelry that are made by the school students.
We are having a stall with tattoo making, mehndi making and jewelry displays.
So we have a subject called entrepreneurship, wherein we start up a business, and our business's name is House of Estates, wherein we make planes, tractors, some animals and helicopters.
Yeah, myself Himali from Himalini's Creations. We are specialized in customizing rangolis.
We are having the live fluid art workshop right now. These are the fluid art workshop which kids have done.
Stall, we are selling handicrafts, recycled paper and everything to make these pen stands. Okay, so now I am at the game corner. So like there are so many games here.
Alright everyone, today we are here at the KD Mela. Here we have organized a fantastic event. Good morning. Stall is of shooting stars. Dart game, so you have to actually aim at the bull's eye or the yellow part in the inner circle and you get exciting prizes.
From grade 11 Humanities, and as you can see, this is my stall, Cakes and Bakes by Divya.
We are having a wonderful dance performance right now and I'm gonna shoot it for you all. So let's go.
Mothers, daddies, daddies and uncles and aunties and kids, come on, join us on the stage for Zumba!
Hello everyone, I'm here with Radhika ma'am. Hello everyone, I'm here with our principal Namita ma'am. Hello everyone, I have Hitat sir with me here. Hello everyone, I'm here with Dr. Ranjit Singh. What exactly do you think the message is being conveyed here through the Mela?
This Mela is something really extraordinary, and the outcome of this Mela is also equally extraordinary.
And Kabir Indian International School always comes up with something which is out of the box. A simple and easy way of learning very important fundamentals of life.
Let us have something that there is learning behind. It should be something about the agriculture and farming, which is very near to my heart.
Through this Krishi Mahotsav, we are also trying to imbibe in the children organizational and event management.
What would you like to conclude from this whole event?
The whole event, I just have 3 words: people, planet, and prosperity. That should be a motto.
Such events add more meaning to the celebrations that should take place in the school.